We've been waiting so long for a cutting edge image to image generator, and NanoBanana is the answer. As dumb as that name is, it's insane. It is the most consistent image to image generator. It's like talking to Photoshop on steroids. So here at nanobanana.ai, we can use it here. And the pricing isn't bad. Okay, for monthly, you're looking at $10 a month, $30 a month, or $80 a month. Or yearly, 8, 25, 64. But the biggest selling point for me is the fact that you can use this if you are a Google subscriber. So as a Ultra user, you can use everything. Google is absolutely killing it right now. You can use VO3, you can use NanoBanana, you can string these together to create ridiculously good animations, videos, content, whatever you want. And to show you the power of NanoBanana, I took this little basic image here of a product for a drop shipping store. Okay, I took it straight from the website. And it's funny because I immediately took this photo, threw it into Photoshop, and I just hesitated for a sec. I was like, wait, let me see how powerful NanoBanana actually is. And so I threw it in here with the prompt, give me an image of these hands holding the movie playing orb in a nice cozy living room environment. Remove all text and graphics, only need the hands holding the orb. And lo and behold, literally the first try in 8.1 seconds, it gave me this perfect representation of what I wanted. The consistency is unparalleled. Look at that, bro. Insane. And then I took it a step further. Now give me a different, more natural version. Change the hands up and the movie inside the orb to a futuristic city. I wasn't particular with what I meant by change the hands up, but it did make it masculine. It gave it some arm hair, right? Before, after. You have some hairy arms now. And obviously it changed the orb to a city. It's not perfect by any means. Like, it lost a little bit of the glass aspect, but not terrible. So then I took it a step further. I generated this. I took this from a frame from a video I created using VO3, and I said, make the scene like this and add the movie inside of the orb. Okay. And look at that. Literally the same exact image. It's just in, like, bro, it's perfect. And of course, I had to take it a step further. I said, now have a beautiful influencer girl holding it up in one hand as if she is talking about it. And look at that. And these prompts aren't even good prompts. Like, I'm just telling it what to do. Natural language. The power with this tool, especially if you combine it with VO3. Look how crazy this is. So now we can literally create an image of a character. We can throw it in, get different versions, different perspectives of that same character, and then we can animate that character. I'm going to go nuts with this. I've already created ads for my clients. They're actually performing extremely well. It's one of the things that we teach in the RPG, gamifying life and business using tools like this, self-mastery, yada, yada, yada. Link down below if you're interested. At the time of recording this, it's free. Knock yourself out. And one last thing I want to show you, just what is possible with this kind of stuff. I took a picture of myself, okay, and then I gave it this prompt. Generate an image of me wearing a futuristic, clean, black, sleek battle armor with a high-tech carbon fiber mask over my mouth. Okay, Gemini, boom. It good, but not perfect. You can see my ears kind of poking out, my earrings. That's not what I envisioned. So I went into Photoshop and just kind of cleaned it up. And I actually could have used NanoBanana for this, but I just didn't think about it at this point. But anyway, got the result I wanted. And then I gave it to VO3. Okay, with this prompt here, you can grab it in the community. Very neat. And then I generated another scene. Okay. Again, the prompt is right here if you guys want it. And then I just compiled those together, added a little bit of sound design, and actually added in a song that I created that we'll be releasing here in about a week. So just brain dumping on you right now, the possibility and the opportunity that we have. Anything that you think of, you can create. There are literally no barriers unless you're a pervert. So again, not only can you create this for you, but you can create this for clients, for other people. You can get paid good money to create this kind of stuff for businesses, for entrepreneurs, to get attention for their business and make them money. Again, all of the systems, all of the tools and techniques inside the RPG, the free community, you can build out a system for a client and then create stuff for them to get traffic into their system and make them tons of money. And in return, you get a ton of money. So my friends, hopefully you have fun with this. Again, everything you need is in the community. It's free to join. Check it out. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.